watching Bear with the Earth and until I crash out and my brain cells go away. I will regret this.
Baby, can you call me back? I miss you. It's so lonely in my mansion. Kissing and hope they cut us.
Okay, this is actually kind of normal, I guess. Okay, some of these videos are kind of normal.
Reading my Discord questions.
Okay, I'm actually...
Allow for sure. Mashallah. Yes, I'm a proud Muslim. I always read the Allah book every day.
Bro is not a Muslim.
It honestly depends on my mood, but preferably sweet. Hey everyone! I'd like to come on here to apologize for disrespecting the Allah and Jesus fan base. I did not mean any harm towards them
you
or
are
their
not
fans.
apologizing
Please
at
stop
all,
harassing me
you
because
bitch
it's very
ass.
difficult having...
I fucking hate this bitch. Bro, it's not good. What the fuck do you mean? Okay, this is like bigger and
Hey everyone!
I will not say anything.
Reading my Discord questions. I hope this war ends. Maybe if more people believed in Bella, this war would have never happened.
What the fuck? Is bro gonna...
Okay, Sama. Of course I do. Bella really loves her
Oh, I
fans.
forgot to put my face down.
Reading my Discord questions. Reading my Discord questions.
Okay, I do not want
Of course not.
this
The IRS
bitch
are at
ass
my
to
front
see
door
my
right now. Oh, that's a question for another video. Yes, your first is my boyfriend.
I fucking hate this bitch.
Bring your ass over, better beat, put them thongs down, scream, no baloney.
What?
Beat, put them thongs down, scream, no baloney.
This is my first time watching this bitch ass. I heard this bitch ass is disrespecting people and this.
Bring your ass over, better beat, put them.
Reading.
What the fuck? No, not good again. Not a video about him. What did he do? Bro is not good. What the hell is this? DJ Richland? How much people are gonna hate on this bitch ass? We're gonna steak. Wait. Is this the video about steak and cute? Oh, god damn it. This is why I hate this woman. What the hell?
Yeah, 360.
Oh god.
You're just looking at me. I'm everywhere, I'm so Julia.
What did the dog do, bitch ass?
I'm everywhere, I'm so Julia.
You ugly as hell.
Please don't call me twin. I don't look like you, bad bitch, and I'm cocky. Make a hating hoe uncomfortable. Please don't call me twin. I don't look like you, bad bitch, and I'm cocky. Make a hating hoe uncomfortable. Please don't call me twin.
Why
I don't
is
look
there
like
so
you, bad
much
bitch, and I'm
lag
cocky.
bigger?
Make a hating hoe uncomfortable. Please don't call me twin.
God is in and she'll fix you up.
Imagine staying animals
Then you're in luck.
having a wolf in your name. Nah, bro, it's actually so
You're a toy.
W.
God is
Oh, I sound
in
like that
and you
because
fix
I'm
you
kind of
up.
Bulgarian.
You're a
So-
toy, then you're in luck. God is in.
I just wish this stupid ass will die.
And you have changed everything for me.
No.
Buzz can change everything. And you have changed everything for me. Buzz
For
can
real.
change everything.
Delete.
And you have changed everything for me. Buzz can change everything. And you have changed everything for me. Buzz.
Is this normal? Oh. Is this normal? Oh, hell nah! Oh, damn. What the fuck? I may have a broken leg, but you're even slower than me, bitch ass. Why disrespecting God is
Reading
doing?
my Discord questions, part 4. Bella, what made you repent to Allah? I repented because I have a lot of respect for Islam and their culture. Will you ever get merchandise?
Hell no.
If that's what my fans want, then yes. Bella, are you homophobic? Of course not. Allah Sama has been confirmed LGBTQ in the Allah book. I mean, Quran. And it's important for us to respect our God. Bless you. Hey Bella, I'm a big fan, but I was recently diagnosed with cancer. Could you apologize for any disrespect towards people with cancer? No, it's not my fault you have cancer. What's one verse in the Bella Ism
What
Bible?
the fuck did you
I
just
don't
say?
think I should answer that during Ramadan. What's your favorite piece of art that you've made? This one, because there should be peace between Muslims and Christians, as both their beliefs are valid. Reading
I
my
fucking hate this one.
Get this off my chest.
I'm quitting. A lot of you guys.
No,
made
your
me
bitch
sad.
ass is not. Fuck you. Ooh. My God. Oh, damn, I forgot. Wait. Can you wear the 6? I'm Bulgarian, so. Oh, damn it. How does that change?
Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good. Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good.
Taya, 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 taya.
Oh, there it is. What the hell? Wait. How do I change? Oh. I'm kinda wasting your time. Oh, god damn it, I lost the channel fucking. Wait, did I not change my language? Okay, I changed it. Where are we at? Oh,
Yesterday, my girl flexed this beautiful Roxanne custom that I need, so I'm gonna give her
Sorry,
a
guys.
trade offer she cannot refuse.
You got something for me?
I do.
oh, I forgot I have bad Wi-Fi because I'm with my grandma. She is maybe I think on in the hospital and working. I don't know. My ass is kind of lazy to check. Why are they killing our saviors? They save us. Soldiers are saved. So if we have not have soldiers, we have been died this time. No, not his dog. Sugars. Oh damn it! I hate this video. I love steak dog. That is not true. Okay, ow. Get out of YouTube. I hope I do not get copyrighted. And that's for all, guys. Okay, like and subscribe, and that's if you like my content. And peace.